Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace GLE 350 battery, full guide. Begin by gathering tools and safety gear, then disconnect the negative terminal first and the positive next, and secure the battery hold down. Label any connectors and note radio or navigation codes before removal. Lift using proper posture and a battery strap if needed. I'll walk you through installation, torque specs, and final checks so your vehicle starts reliably. Removing the old battery is straightforward and safe when you follow a few simple steps. After disconnecting terminals and removing the hold down, lift the battery straight up and out, avoiding tilting that spills acid. Check for corrosion on the tray, clamps, and cable ends, and clean gently with a baking soda and water paste. Ensure all connectors are dry before proceeding, and set the old battery aside for proper recycling. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort while you wrench. I find a good sock makes long jobs easier and gives me a laugh when gloves fail. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Installing the new battery is the reverse of removal and benefits from careful attention. Position the battery correctly, tighten the hold down to specified torque, and connect the positive terminal first followed by the negative. Recheck terminal tightness and ensure no tools remain in the engine bay. Start the vehicle to confirm charging and restore any saved settings or codes. I'll also show quick tests to confirm alternator output and system health.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.